In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependents using H&R Block. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your return, what to click, and what to expect so your dependent information is captured correctly. First, open the H&R Block DIY main menu for your tax return. You should already be signed in and have your return open. From the main dashboard, head into the section where you work on your federal taxes by selecting Federal. This puts you in the right place to answer the personal and dependent questions that affect your federal return. Next, choose Go to the beginning of my return. This option restarts the guided interview from the top of your personal info, which is helpful because it ensures you don't miss the dependent section. Once you're in the interview, click Next to move forward. You'll see a few introductory screens. Just keep going. Continue clicking Next until you reach the dependent question. Along the way, the software may show a Confirm button. If you see that, use it to acknowledge the details shown so you can proceed. Think of this as a quick verification step to keep your information consistent as you move through the interview. When you get to the question asking if you have dependents, select Yes. This is a key step. Dependents can influence your filing status and your eligibility for valuable credits, like the child tax credit or the credit for other dependents, so you want to answer it accurately. Now click Add Person to start adding your dependent. The software will prompt you for details, typically including the dependent's full legal name as shown on official documents, their social security number, date of birth, and relationship to you. You may also see questions about how long they lived with you, whether they are a full-time student, or whether they're eligible to be claimed by someone else. Enter each item carefully to avoid e-file rejections and to make sure the correct credits calculate. If you have more than one dependent, repeat. Add person for each one before moving on. When you've finished adding your dependent information, click Next to continue. The program will carry your entries forward and may ask a few follow-up questions based on what you entered. If anything doesn't look right, use the on-screen navigation to go back and make corrections. That's it. You went to Federal, restarted at the beginning of your return, move forward to the dependent question, answered yes, used add person, and then clicked Next to proceed. Take a moment to review what you entered, and you'll be ready for the rest of your return.